Hey there fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review on Boma in the Bush, which is situated just off of the N1 north of Polokwane. If you're coming from the south, take the Polokwane N1 bypass, go past the Mall of the North, and then watch out for the Tweefontein signs. Turn right and follow the direction boards. If you're coming from the north and you get to the mall, well then you've missed the turn-off. It's tar all the way up until their entrance, which is just a very short patch of hard gravel. The sites are set on seasonal grass and most are under shade netting. If you have a taller rig, then rather opt for one of the spots without the overhead structure. All sites have access to a power point that takes a blue caravan type plug, and there are numerous shared water taps dotted about. You can ask for a portable braai to be brought to your site, or you can use the communal Boma area, especially if you're a larger group. However, if you are planning on using this area, do give management some notice so that they can sweep and dust. There are 4 private ablutions with a toilet, hand basin and shower, and these are well worth the small extra cost. They are not directly on each site, but they are clean, spacious and have good hot water. At the private ablution area, there's also a sink for washing dishes and another for hand laundry. Both of these have hot and cold water. The communal bathrooms are set away from the camping site and aesthetically are older, but they are kept clean and are functional. Here you will find toilets, a hand basin, shower and a bath. Near reception there is a swimming pool which campers are welcome to use. There is also a restaurant which mainly services the chalets during the week. Should you wish to have a meal there, especially over a weekend, it's best to advise the owners beforehand, but do take note the restaurant does not have a liquor license. There is no shop on the premises, but the modern Mall of the North is just 10 kilometers away and has many of the major brands of stores including Checkers, Pick n Pay, Game, Dis-Chem, the major banks, clothing, retail stores and a busy food court with all the usual outlets. In terms of activities, you can fish in the small dam or do some bird watching, and by prior arrangement you are welcome to bring your pets. The property is fenced, but there is no access control, and you are very close to the main road here, so you will hear road noise. We were able to stream on both MTN and Vodacom. We were able to access the bank and make calls on our phones. Boma in the Bush do not have any backup power generation, and they are subject to load shedding. Now, Boma in the Bush is not a holiday destination or a resort. It is a convenient one-night stopover between the big cities of Pretoria and Joburg in the south and Musina, Beitbridge or Chappice to the north. They do take long-stay bookings, and if you have to be in Polokwane for business purposes or to visit friends or relatives, this low-key, convenient, affordable campsite may just suit your purposes. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you on a campsite sometime.